how to play football squares. In this beginner's video, I'm going to show you how to easily play Super Bowl squares. So I'll show you how to pick squares and then how to read the game grid to see who won the game. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So I'm going to be using an example here from onlinefootballsquares.com. It's a free website that allows you to easily create football squares without creating an account, and it's completely free. It also has live scoring and tracking of the winners. Now the game is played on a grid of 100 squares, just like this, where each player picks squares on the grid, and once all the squares have been picked, random numbers will be assigned around the grid, and these represent the last number of the score at the end of each quarter. So as you can see, here's an example. At the end of Q1 of this game, the score was 7-6, and we can see the row that was assigned 7, and then the column that was assigned 6, the winner was Charlie right here. So really, when you're picking squares, you're randomly picking different squares, and wherever the score intersects at the end of the quarter will win. So there's not really a lot of skill because these numbers are randomly assigned after everyone is picked. So you just want to go in, pick your squares, and then during the game, you'll know who won based on the score at the end of each quarter. Now, onlinefootballsquares.com does this tracking automatically and live during the game, so you don't have to figure out the scores or anything. Once the numbers have been assigned, it'll automatically do everything for you. So hopefully that helped you learn how to play football squares. It's a very simple game. It just looks a little bit intimidating with all the squares and numbers and things like that. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.